This house is so worn. I need to fix it or I won't be getting a good night's sleep.
You're that new person! You just inherited that workshop outside of town, right? Ah, sorry. Where are my manners? I'm Sonia!
Hello. On guard. Huh. Watch out, young one. Your reaction speed is way too slow. Goodbye.
Hi. I haven't seen you around. You are?
Hi. You're probably the new builder everyone's talking about. I'm Martha. Nice to meet you. I run a bakery here in town.
Hey! Goodbye!
Hi.
Once, I said I wanted to be the strongest man in Portia. They all laughed. Then, I said I wanted to run a furniture store. They laughed even more. But look who got the last laugh.
Bye.
Oh, you're new in town as well? I just moved here a little while ago. Name's Audit.
Hello. You're the new builder, I suppose. I hope you're wiser and more reasonable than the other builder in town. I think he's a fool.
You're new, right? I'm Jack. Nice to meet you. I hope you have a good time in town.
Did you just move here? Never seen you before.
You must be the competition. Whatever. The more the merrier. Bring it on.
Hey! The girls cooked dinner last night. It was delicious. See ya.
Oh, who might you be? Spring is a wonderful season. Pretty flowers everywhere. They almost compare to my beauty.
Hey, I'm Jody. You're the new builder, right? It's always nice to have more builders.
Are you new here? I'm Russo. Yes? I'm in a hurry to buy some food for Miss Ginger. Good day.
Hi-oh! You must be the person the mayor was talking about. I'm kind of simple, but I hope we can be friends.
Hi! We don't get new people moving all the way out here too often, so nice to meet you. I'm Lucy. I'm a teacher at the Portia school.
Are you the new builder? I'm Polly. It's nice to see other people try to bring about the telesis of this world. Or, at least, that's what the mayor likes to say. Nice to meet you.
Hello! I just want to say, now that you're here, we can't play hide and seek in that haunted house anymore. It's all your fault.
Hi, where are you from?
Hello, you're the new builder, right? Nice to meet you. I'm Petra.
You're new, aren't you? Are you lost or something?
I'm Emily, your next-door neighbor. It's so nice to have new people move into our town. You should drop by my ranch sometime.
Howdy! Did you just arrive at our town? You might have heard of me. I'm famous around these parts. Mac, McD, ring a bell?
Hi. Have you seen my granddaughter? I just saw her a minute ago. Where did she go? Goodbye.
You new here? I'm Nora. I'm a missionary at the Church of the Light. Nice to meet you.
Nice to see you. How are you settling in? Great! Let me introduce you to the Commerce Guild. We're the organization that orchestrates trade across the entire Free Cities region. This is the Portia branch. We're pretty busy throughout the year. Now then, let me give you your Builder test. This is pretty easy. Make an axe and pickaxe and bring them to me. You need to have wood and stones to make these. You can gather them on your own or buy them from the Total Tools in Central Square. After you have the raw materials, you'll need to craft the items on a work table. I saw your pa's old one in your yard, so check and see if that still works.
Hi there. I know who you are. I'm Antoine. We'll probably be seeing each other a lot.
Hey there. First time ruin diving?
Yep.
Alrighty, let me explain then. All the ruins in the Alliance of Free Cities are regulated by the Civil Corps. To enter the ruins, you'll need to pay a weekly maintenance fee, but we'll give you a 60% discount the first time. When you enter, I'll give you the jetpack and scanner, very handy ancient relics. Mining for resources becomes a lot easier when you have these equipped. When you come out, we'll need them back since they're very rare. This one beside me is an abandoned ruin. No monsters or robots in there, just resources and relics like power stones. Anything you find in the ruins are yours to keep, unless they're ancient weapons. Then we're supposed to hand them over to the church for destruction. Okay, I'm done. Have fun and be safe in there.
You must be the new builder. It's so nice to meet you. I'm Ginger. Hope you find our little town fitting.